Hi, my name is Carrie Wilson and I'm a GelMoment independent distributor. And today I'm going to show you a quick, simple way of creating a pansy accent nail. First of all, you're going to take the gray side of your GelMoment nail file and you're going to lightly buff your nail. Buffing the nail allows our GelMoment one-step gel polish to adhere to the nail and last for up to 3 weeks. And of course, if your cleanser pad is still wet, just simply place it back in the envelope and fold it over, and it'll keep for the next time. We are going to use Honey I Do as our base coat, and we're going to apply 2 thin coats of Honey I Do, and remembering to cap the tip of your nail and then wiping back over to remove that ridge so that your nail color will last for a very long time. And of course, the nail isn't in the frame. So I apologize that I messed this up, but it's very simple to use gold foil or any foils. You just take a piece that you like, you place it on the nail, and you just pat it down with your finger. And later on, we're going to cover that with Clearly Frisky once we have the pansy right. So now to make things a little simpler as I work on the daisy, I'm going to use my GelMoment silicone mat, and I'm going to place all the colors that I'll be using with my dotting tool and my brushes so it's more convenient. So I'll be using Queen of the Galaxy, Lovey Dovey, and of course, Lemon Meringue. So to create this pansy, I'm going to use 3 of our tools from our GelMoment Creativity set. I'm using the largest dotting tool, and I'm also using the smallest dotting tool, and I'm also using one of our fine brushes from our Creativity set. So the first color I'm going to use with my largest dotting tool is Queen of the Galaxy. And I'm placing 2 large dots, almost touching, side by side. And once you have the size of the petals you like, you're going to flash cure for 10 seconds. So now we're going to take the Lovey Dovey with, again, the large dotting tool, and we're going to make 2 dots spaced out above the 2 purple dots. And again, another 10-second flash cure. I could only get it in the frame, right? But you're applying a 3rd dot of Lovey Dovey for 3rd petal, and then you're going to flash cure for 10 seconds. Now that you have all your petals together and it's starting to look like a pansy, you want to go back to the Queen of Galaxy with your small dotting tool and place 1 tiny dot in the center. And then you're going to pick up your brush and you're going to go from the center of the dot and just wisp out little lines from it to give that pansy look. And once that's done again, of course, you're going to place it in your LED lamp and a flash cure for 10 seconds. This allows your artwork not to get ruined. So now we're going to go back to the small dotting tool, and we're going to use the lemon meringue, and we're going to place 3 little dots in the center. And again, you guessed it, we're going to flash cure it for another 10 seconds. All right, we're almost there. We're going to add about 4 little leaves around the pansy using Feeling Ferny. Again, just placing it on the silicone mat, and then I'll use my brush to pick up the gel polish, and working from the side of the pansy, you're going to take your brush and just feather it out. I'm not the greatest at leaves. Hopefully that is something that I can get much better at. Now this time, because the flower is complete, we're going to do a 45-second cure. So now that we have our look, we're going to top coat it with Clearly Frisky in order for that gold foil not to come off. Because if you were not to top it off with the Clearly Frisky, over time with washing your hands, that gold leaf would come off your nails. And again, you're going to want to cap the tip of your nail to protect all of that work that you've done. And then you're going to cure that for 45 seconds. And then you're done. You've got your beautiful daisy accent nail. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope you take a minute to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.